Amelia, and today we are reading Have You Heard the Nesting Bird? Morning doves take their morning stroll. Cuckoo, coo, coo. The woodpecker calls from a tree with a hole. The starling sings from a metal pole. Whistle-wee wee tree. But have you heard the nesting bird? What bird? Where? That robin nesting up there. The sparrow makes a simple jingle. Chip, 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 chip. The swallow slides from under a shingle. Ha ha, chip, chip, chip. Ha ha, twitter, twit. The crow calls out, come meet and mingle. Caw, caw, caw. But have you heard the nesting bird? Not a single tweet or trill. This nesting bird is so still. The cardinal wears a pointy hat. Cheer up, cheerily, party, 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 party. The chickadee is an acrobat. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee. The catbird makes sounds like an hungry cat. Meow, meow. But have you heard that nesting bird? It doesn't sing, not even a bit. All it does is sit and sit. The blue jay's shriek is as sharp as a drill. Jay, 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 jay. The whippoorwill has its favorite trill. Whippoorwill, whippoorwill. The wood thrush turns the twilight still. Eole, eole. But have you heard that nesting bird? It hasn't sung a single song. This bird has been sitting for so long. Wait, what's that? Tapping, cracking. Something's made a little sound, breaking, shaking. The bird is starting to move around, ruffling, shuffling. The bird flew off with something blue, cheeping, peeping. Look, another robin is coming too. The baby birds are here.